Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot add payment method on Apple device. Here I will show you how to add payment method on Apple devices. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. After this go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and from here you have to simply tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Then go back and go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go back and now you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and then go to settings and then go to your profile and then go to payment and shipping, and from here you can easily add your payment method from here. So as you can see this, you can select your debit or credit card, you can select your PayPal account, and then you have to give here your card number and then date of expiry, and after this security code, and then tap on billing address and add your billing address as well from here. So guys, you have to simply add your billing address from here and then billing name, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply scroll it below and tap on wallet and Apple Pay and then tap on add card, and from here tap on debit or credit card, and from here tap on continue, and then you will be able to add your debit or credit card from here. And if you go back from here you can select any payment method from here. So guys, there are multiple payment options, you can select any one. So guys, if you're still unable to add your payment method then you have to simply contact to the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.